Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the environment supports local storage, because modern browsers do, but incognito modes may restrict it. Once done, pick clear key names and a single prefix so keys do not collide with other code. Now convert complex data to strings with JSON. Stringify, simple strings and numbers can stay as is. Make sure to limit stored size. Local storage typically allows around 5 MB per origin. Start by writing one small value to test the flow. You now implement the core operations. Use local storage. Set item app user JSON, stringify obj to store and local storage. Get item app user to retrieve. Because values are strings, parse with JSON. Parse when you stored structured data, otherwise use the raw string. Once parsed, validate types and handle null returns for missing keys. To keep code maintainable, create helpers like save, key, value, and load, key, fallback. Also consider adding simple namespacing and versioning to handle future schema changes. Complete the flow by wiring UI actions to storage. Save on form submit, load on init, and update on change. Use remove item for deletions and clear only when you truly want to wipe app data. For expirations, store a timestamp alongside the payload and compare date. Now, unload, then purge stale items. Finally, run manual tests and automated checks for JSON. Parse errors and missing keys if something goes wrong. First, open the browser console and inspect local.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.